Welcome to Auto UK, where today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most exciting developments in the world of compact, eco-friendly travel, the 2026 Catrike 700 Camper Tricycle. A remarkable fusion of innovation, sustainability and adventure, this trike is redefining what it means to travel off-grid with minimal impact on the environment, while maximizing comfort and convenience. Let's start with the core of the Catrike 700 Camper Tricycle. Its frame. Designed with ultra-lightweight yet incredibly durable aerospace-grade aluminum, this tricycle ensures a perfect balance between strength and weight reduction. The advanced geometry of the frame enhances aerodynamics, making long-distance travel smoother and more efficient. The trike's low-profile chassis, paired with a long wheelbase, provides stability at high speeds while also ensuring maneuverability in tight spaces. The 2026 model introduces a reinforced suspension system, an improvement over its predecessors, absorbing shocks from rough terrains and making off-road excursions significantly more comfortable. Whether you're traveling on tarmac, gravel, or dirt paths, this tricycle can handle it all with ease. Moving on to the drivetrain, the Catrike 700 Camper is powered by a state-of-the-art electric assist system. The latest generation mid-drive motor offers 1,000 watts of peak power, allowing riders to tackle steep inclines and long distances with minimal effort. The intelligent torque sensor dynamically adjusts power output based on pedaling input, ensuring an efficient and natural riding experience. The removable lithium-ion battery pack offers a generous range of up to 120 miles per charge, making it perfect for extended adventures. Plus, with regenerative braking, every descent and slowdown contributes to recharging the battery, enhancing overall efficiency. Complementing the electric assist motor is a fully integrated 14-speed internal gear hub, providing seamless and maintenance-free shifting. This hub not only increases durability, but also allows riders to effortlessly switch gears without the worry of external derailleur adjustments. Whether cruising on flat terrain or climbing hills, the gear system ensures optimal performance. Braking is equally impressive, with high-performance hydraulic disc brakes installed on all three wheels. This advanced braking system provides superior stopping power and modulation, ensuring safety even when carrying extra weight from camping gear. The inclusion of electronic ABS anti-lock braking system prevents skidding, particularly in wet or slippery conditions, adding another layer of confidence for riders. Now let's talk about what makes this trike truly special, the integrated camper system. Unlike traditional trikes, the 2026 Catrike 700 Camper features a fully retractable, ultra-lightweight sleeping pod. Made from high-tech composite materials, the pod offers insulation against cold and heat while maintaining breathability. With a quick deploy mechanism, the camper extends into a comfortable micro-shelter within minutes, providing ample space for a single occupant, or even two in a pinch. The interior of the pod is designed with comfort in mind. A memory foam mattress ensures restful sleep, while strategically placed LED lighting offers both soft ambient light and bright task lighting. There's even an integrated climate control system that passively regulates temperature using a combination of reflective materials and ventilation panels, reducing condensation and maintaining comfort in all seasons. Storage solutions are equally well thought out. Hidden compartments within the camper's structure provide secure spaces for essential gear such as cooking equipment, clothing, and emergency supplies. A retractable solar panel array is mounted on the roof, generating up to 150 watts of clean energy to power onboard electronics, recharge the battery, and even support small appliances. With built-in USB and AC outlets, keeping your devices charged on the go is effortless. Water storage and purification are crucial for any long-distance traveler. The Catrike 700 Camper includes an integrated water filtration system with a 10-liter reservoir, ensuring access to clean drinking water wherever you go. Whether you're refilling from a river or a public water source, the multi-stage filtration removes bacteria and contaminants, keeping you hydrated safely. For cooking, the trike comes with a compact yet efficient kitchenette setup. A pull-out counter reveals a single-burner induction stove powered by the onboard battery system. There's also a collapsible sink with a foot pump water system, allowing for easy cleaning and meal prep. Space-saving storage solutions ensure that utensils, ingredients, and cookware remain organized and accessible. The user interface is where technology truly shines. A fully digital dashboard mounted on the handlebars provides real-time data on speed, battery level, navigation, and even weather forecasts. Integrated GPS ensures you never lose your way, while Bluetooth connectivity allows seamless pairing with a smartphone for calls, music, and additional travel data. The smart security system includes a GPS tracker and remote locking, offering peace of mind when leaving the trike unattended. On the road, the Catrike 700 camper handles exceptionally well. The combination of its aerodynamic design, low center of gravity, and finely tuned suspension makes for an incredibly smooth ride. Even when fully loaded with camping gear, the Trike maintains stability and control. One of the biggest advantages of this Trike is its versatility. Whether you're an urban commuter looking for a mobile shelter solution or an adventurer embarking on a cross-country journey, the Catrike 700 camper adapts to your lifestyle. It's equally at home weaving through city traffic as it is exploring backcountry trails. For those looking to push the limits, optional upgrades include an all-wheel drive system for even better traction, a larger battery pack for extended range, and even a wind-assisted sail attachment to harness natural energy on open roads. Customization is at the heart of this design, allowing riders to tailor the Trike to their unique needs. Sustainability remains a core focus of the Catrike brand, and the 2026 model is no exception. Every component is designed with eco-friendliness in mind, from the recyclable frame materials to the energy-efficient powertrain. With zero emissions, a self-sustaining energy system, and a design built for longevity, this Trike represents the future of responsible travel. Priced competitively within the high-end camper tricycle market, the Catrike 700 camper offers incredible value, given its extensive features. While it's an investment, the combination of its cutting-edge technology, comfort, and durability makes it well worth the cost for those serious about adventure and sustainability. As we wrap up, the 2026 Catrike 700 camper tricycle stands as a testament to how far personal mobility has come. It blends performance, innovation, and eco-consciousness into a single, well-engineered package. Whether you're commuting, camping, or embarking on a cross-country journey, this Trike has everything you need for an unforgettable experience. So, what do you think? Would you take the Catrike 700 camper on your next big adventure? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Auto UK for more in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest in the world of sustainable mobility. See you in the next video.